Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to do this rainbow look that you all requested. I would just also like to thank you guys for all of the support on my last video and all of the sweet comments. If you would like to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I've already primed my lids and I used the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. And I just set the top of my lid and like my crease with translucent powder. First, I'm going to be starting out with this red shade in the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to take this red shade and pat it on the outer corner of my lid and blend it all the way up into the crease. I haven't done my foundation yet because I'm afraid of fallout, so I'm just going to do that later. Now I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm using the Morphe M518 brush to just blend the edges. Next, I'm taking the same brush, the Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to use this orange shade to go beside the red and blend them together. I'm applying this shade in the middle of my eyelid and blend in with that red and go up to the crease. I'm taking another clean brush and blending the edges together. I just keep taking more shadow and blending it in and just making sure that everything is the way I want it. Now I'm taking the Morphe M518 brush and I'm going to go in with the yellow shade in the palette. I'm putting the yellow shade in the inner crease. I'm also blending the shade on the lid. Now I'm just intensifying the orange a little bit just in case the color got a little lost. Now I'm just taking my Morphe M518 brush again and I'm just going to blend the top and make sure all of the colors blend seamlessly together. Now I'm going to add a little shimmer on the lid where I put the yellow. I'm going to take this yellow shimmery shade and put it just on the lid but not take it up to the crease. I'm just using a flat synthetic brush to do this. You just want to pack this shade onto the yellow part until you get to the crease and kind of cut the crease with this. And make sure it blends into the orange. Okay, so now that this is done, I'm going to go in and start doing the blue and the purple and the green. Now I'm going to take the Morphe M433 brush again, and I'm going to go in with this purple shade and mix it a little in with this bluish purple color, and I'm going to put it in the same place that I put the red on the other eye. I'm just placing this color on the outer corner and blending up to the crease like I did with the red, making sure all of the edges are blended seamlessly. Now I'm going to take this lavender shade called Lavender Honey from the Dose of Colors Ice Cream palette and use this to blend above the purple. And with this look, since I didn't do my base, you don't have to worry about the shadow falling down or getting too low out here because we're going to clean it up later. I'm still just blending and making sure everything is seamless. Now time to do the blue color in the center of my lid, and to do this I'm going to use this color from ColourPop and it's called Lost and Found. I'm just going to press this in the center of my lid, blending it into the purple. Alright, now that that's blended, I'm going to take this green and mix it a little with this green and put that in the inner corner. Also, while I'm blending this, I just also like to mention that this palette, the Morphe 35B palette, is discontinued, but I will link a few ColourPop shades that you can use for this look that's also affordable, so you won't have to go out and search for this palette because it is discontinued on Morphe's website. But you'll still be able to create this look using the other shades. I'm just going to go back in with the blue colors that I used earlier and just intensify the middle. Now I'm just going to take the synthetic brush again and spritz it with a little Fix Plus. And I'm going to take this shimmery green right here and put it on the inner corner of my lid. I'm going to use this shade to kind of cut the crease like I did with the yellow. I sprayed the Fix Plus on my brush to make the brush wet so it will intensify the color and the shimmer eyeshadow can stick to my lid better. Now that all the colors are the way I like it, I'm just going to highlight my brow in my inner corner using these two shades from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. Before I do my base, I'm just going to clean up around my eyes where I got fallout and where the shadow went too far down. And I'm just going to make a straight line under the outer part of my eye to kind of cut the shadow and make it a lot cleaner. Before I do lashes, I'm going to line my lid using the Kat Von D ink liner in the shade Trooper. Now I'm going to pop on some mascara. I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash. Now I'm going to apply my lashes. I'm using the Ardell 812 Faux Mink lashes. Today I'm going to use the Duo Lash Glue, and mine is the clear. Now that my eyes are done, I'm going to quickly do my base off camera and my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now my foundation is done, my eyes are done, my brows are done, and now we can move on to the rest of the face. To bronze, I'm going to use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Medium Deep Matte Bronzer to bronze up the perimeter of my face. Okay, now moving on to blush. I'm going to use the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso and this Sephora Pro Mini 55.5 brush to do the blush. This blush is just a peachy, kind of shimmery blush, as you can tell. I feel like this blush is just going to match the eye look well because it kind of goes in with the red and the orange, and it's just a nice peachy blush. Now time for highlight. I'm going to use the Milani Strobelight highlighter in 01. I'm going to take this on a Morphe M510 brush and apply it to my cheekbones. Now I'm going to go back with eyeshadow to do my lower lash line. Now I'm just going to apply the same shadows on the lower lash line that I did to the upper lid and just follow the same steps in the same order. I'm just going to apply the red in the same place that I applied the red on the top, just blending it into the side of the eyeshadow. Now I'm going in with the orange on the same brush. I feel like this line that I created with the makeup wipe is too sharp, so I'm just going to use this brush to blend the edges and soften it up. Now taking the yellow on the inner corner, I'm also going to take the shimmery yellow shade that I used on the lid and apply this to the inner corner. Now I'm taking the same brush and I'm going to go in with the purple and then the blue and the green. Make sure to blend the shadow that goes on the outer corner up into the shadow that you applied on the top, just to soften that line and make everything go together. Now taking the blue in the center. Now to finish off the eyes, I'm going to apply lower lash mascara. Alright, now time for lips. I'm going to use the MAC Velvet Teddy Matte Lipstick, and I'm going to apply a gloss over top. I chose a nude because everything else is so dramatic, so I figured I would just go with nude today. Now I'm just going to go in with the Ulta Shiny Sheer Lip Gloss in Peach. I'm going to finish off with a little setting spray. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Alright guys, so this is a finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!